Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use an Android device as a mic for a Bluetooth speaker. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using an Android device as a microphone for a Bluetooth speaker can be useful in situations where you want to amplify your voice or use your Android device as a wireless microphone. And here's a general guide on how to achieve this. Wireless connection. Step 1. Ensure that your Android device is paired with a Bluetooth speaker. Step 2. Install a microphone app on your Android device. Apps like Microphone by Bluetooth Loudspeaker can be suitable. Step 3. Open the Microphone app and configure the settings. Select the Bluetooth speaker as the output device. Step 4. Speak into your Android device and the sound should be transmitted to the Bluetooth speaker. And there are tips on how to do this. Check the specifications of your Bluetooth speaker to ensure it supports the input method you're using. Adjust volume levels on both your Android device and the Bluetooth speaker on your preferred volume levels. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.